Now let's say that if you want to increase or decrease the spacing between the two lines, this is called line spacing option. I'll just select it and go to the home tab. Here you will see this up and down arrow key. This is the line spacing option. Just click on this. Now if I want to increase the space, normally it is on 1. If I click on 1.15, 1.5, you can notice that it is increasing the space. If I click on this, see, you can notice the space between the two fields. Now if you totally want to remove this spacing, by default it is 1, but I need to remove even this. So just select this and you can click on remove space after paragraphs. So see, there is no space between these lines. So you can adjust however you want it. Similarly, in this document, if I want to reduce the space or increase the space, I can do that. Let's keep it to 1. And one other option is, if you select the whole document and let's click on add space after paragraph. So you can notice that whenever I press enter, it will create a space, but where no enter is pressed, it will remove all the spaces. So these are some of the line spacing options that you can use to improve the formatting of the document.